During this video, you will learn how to use the Find feature in Google Documents so you can edit the learning activities and learning assessments in the report that was emailed to you. So the first step is to go to the email and click on the Google document report that needs updating. The document will open up in Google Docs. What you will then do on your keyboard is click Control F. A box will appear in the top right corner that says Find in Document. You can scroll down a bit below the steps and see the list of courses and the faculty member who is assigned to teach that course this spring 2019 semester. So we will use Education 1101 as an example. So up here, you will type in 1101 and it will prompt you to the document. It will bring you to where 1101 is listed in the document so you can see the standards that are aligned to the course in this specific document. You will see the standard and then you will see the learning activities and learning assessments. If you have a change to make, you can type that change in, highlight the text, and utilize the color text button in the top toolbar to change the color to red. And that will allow the accreditation office to know what standards need updating in the state system. Next, you can hit the down arrow next to the Find box, and it will populate and go through the entire document. So this standard is linked to 10A and 11A, or this course is linked to those two standards. You can utilize this Find feature as an easy way to search this large report to find the courses that are aligned to the standards in which you teach, so you can update the learning activities and learning assessments if an update is needed, or leave it as is if it is currently still accurate. If you have questions about navigating Google Documents and editing your learning activities and learning assessments, please contact Lisa Kittleston and we can schedule a one-on-one meeting to help you through this process. Thank you.